So this is the sorghum I grew over the summer, but it doesn't look so hot. I don't know whether it's the fact that I left it too long or whether I didn't put enough nutrients in it. Not sure what happened here, but late in the summer I got this, which looks a lot more like it should. So it's clearly not enough for me to do a whole lot with. Farmers have been converting this into, well, instead of using sugar, a lot of cereals and companies are using these now in place of sugar. This has been around for thousands of years. But at any rate, I have some homework to do because somewhere in between here and here is the answer. And next summer, I plan on having a lot more space. So I will be growing a lot more and harvesting it and putting it to use. So just wanted to give you guys that update. Sorghum that didn't come out so well, sorghum that came out better than the first round, but like I said, next year I'm going to try it again, and I think I'll be able to get it right. Catch you later.